Facebook ads tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and learn how you're going to set up your Facebook ads, this is the video for you. So to start setting up Facebook ads, obviously I assume that you have a business account on Facebook or a professional account on Facebook, and you also have it set it up on your Meta. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to my business section. Okay, I'm going to switch over to my accounts which have, actual pages. And then I'm going to come here where it says Ads Manager, and I'm going to go over to this. Okay, and also make sure to open up your Meta Business Suite because that is where you can create the different pixels for those ads. But yeah, you can come to the Ads Manager section over here. And once you come here, this is where you can start creating new ads. So simply click on create, and as you can see, it takes you into load and creation. So you can start creating new campaigns for new ads. So first of all, there's buying type. Okay, so there's either reservation or auction. Okay, then there's campaign objective. It could either be to increase your awareness, to increase traffic, increasing engagement, increasing leads, app promotions, sales, and a whole lot more. So I'm going to go with awareness and click on continue. And once you do that, you can go ahead and add details for this ad. And once you've added your details, simply click on next. And once you do that, that's going to generate the campaign for your ad in the easiest way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.